Hello, after a cold week of weather, things have been turning a little less cold so far this weekend. There's no real sign of any very cold weather returning through the week ahead. Now, at the moment, the jet stream is bringing weather systems in from the Atlantic. You can see the rain-bearing cloud on the satellite picture. And tied up with those weather systems, we do have some relatively mild, or at least less cold air. So for Sunday morning, we start off with a band of rain pushing its way northwards and eastwards across England and becoming slow moving across central parts of Scotland. We may see something wintry mixing in here over the very highest ground. Rain at times for Northern Ireland. Coasts of Wales and the southwest will be very windy. The chance of gales here, sunshine and showers, and temperatures of around 7 to 11 degrees. Now through Sunday nights, this area of low pressure tracks eastwards. And as we get onto the back edge of the low, well, we do see a return of northerly winds. So it will actually feel a little bit colder again for Monday. Certainly not as cold as it has been, but a bit of a chill in the air. There will be some showers around as well, and over high ground, particularly in Scotland, but maybe parts of northern England as well. We could still see some wintriness mixing in with the showers. A few showers too for West Wales, southwest of England. Temperatures around 6 to 11 degrees. Now through Monday nights and into Tuesday, our area of low pressure loosens its grip. High pressure starts to build from the west. Still, I think, rather chilly on Tuesday. Fewer showers, but where they do occur, they could again bring just a little bit of wintriness, maybe across the North York Moors, for example. Most places, though, having a dry end to Tuesday. But those temperatures a little bit down, 5 to 10 degrees at best. And Tuesday night is going to be cold. Under that ridge of high pressure with that chilly air in place, temperatures will drop. We'll see quite a widespread frost, at least for a time. Something milder, then pushing in towards the west. And that's our next change for the middle of the week. Milder air with a lot of cloud, which will sit on some of the hills, giving some mist and murk up over high ground. There will be some outbreaks of showery rain. Temperatures may struggle to come up very much in eastern parts, but it will turn milder in the west. And this big wedge of milder air is going to work its way into the picture as we move through Wednesday night and on into Thursday. In fact, we get into southwesterly winds. That will feel very different. That mild air in what we call a warm sector between this warm front here and this cold front here. Now, warm sectors are often very cloudy. This one will be. There'll be some mist and murk, especially for coasts and hills. There will be some splashes of rain. Some clearer skies, perhaps getting into Scotland and Northern Ireland as a cold front sinks its way southwards and eastwards through the day. But temperatures 12, 13, 14 degrees. So significantly milder than it has been with this wedge of mild air as the jet stream bends its way northwards. But then notice the jet stream digs southwards again and things do turn a little bit colder. Now, it's not a return to the really cold weather that we've had recently. In fact, things will stay quite unsettled with weather systems pushing in from the west. But after what could be a really mild end to the coming week, through the weekend into the start of the following week, temperatures are expected to drop a little bit and we will see some further outbreaks of rain at times. Check your local forecast on the BBC Weather